YouTube.com is one of the largest websites on the internet, and this site gets millions and millions of visitors per day, and they also have millions of pages of web content. Now, what if you can use some of YouTube's content and post that content automatically to your WordPress blog? With a commercial plugin called WP YouTube, you can do exactly that. In fact, you can get videos from YouTube and post them to your blog along with the video description and also the related comments. Now, there are several different types of licenses for WP videotube, and these are mostly differentiated by the amount of keywords that you can specify in the plugin itself. So if you want to create a single blog and you can live with 20 keywords, then you can go for the light version, or you can go for the Pro, Elite, and if you want to build multiple websites or multiple domains, then you can go for the developer license. Once you have uploaded the WP YouTube plugin to your WordPress WP content/plugin folder, and then you should see it appear under the installed plugins list. And here we have WP videotube, and I'm going to activate that plugin. Now that the plugin is activated, I'm going to look for the settings page, which should be under the settings tab right here, or if it's not there, it should be under tools. Alright, there you have it, WP videotube. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, so it says here, this plugin allows you to post videos automatically from YouTube based on keywords you set up. You can also edit the post template here. So if you want to have custom styling for the WordPress videos themselves, then you can always add in your own CSS styles. But first, let's create a new keyword. Under the add search term settings configuration, you can choose to only get the top rated videos, the most viewed videos, the recently featured videos, or you can even choose to get videos based on categories and keywords. And also if you have a particular user on youtube.com that you really admire, then you can choose to get videos from that user's profile page. So I'm just going to leave it as default as videos, and I'm going to enter a keyword here, and then I'm going to enter a keyword here. Now, it's very important that you enter a keyword that is more niche in nature, something that is more targeted to the blog that you want to create. But in this example, I'm just going to enter a very generic keyword so that we can get videos posted as soon as possible. So I'm just going to type in music, and you can choose to run this plugin every day, every hour, correct? Or let's say you want to run it every 2 days. Now, there's an option here that says humanize. What it means is that when you click the option humanize, this will further randomize the amount of content that you actually syndicate from youtube.com. It makes it in such a way that it's more human in nature. So it may be you may get your first video today, your second video 2 days later, the third video 5 days later, etc., etc. But overall, it does round up to about 2 days. Then you can select a category that you want to post these videos to, and you can choose to grab the comments or to not grab the comments and just get the videos. And then you can select the post author and also the post status. So if you want all the videos that are grabbed from youtube.com to be automatically published on your blog, then make sure you select the option as publish. However, if you want to go through each of those posts before actually publishing it, then select draft, and that should put all your posts in draft mode, and those posts will only be live once you have manually chosen to publish those posts. So okay, I'm gonna put it as publish, and I'm gonna add that search term. Okay, so you can see here that my first keyword and my first search term has been added, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add a few other search terms as well, so you can see the results happening as soon as possible. Okay, so I've added up to 3 different search terms here to make sure that I get as many videos as possible in the shortest time possible. So if you want to match the videos that are syndicated to your blog's theme, especially to edit the video size, etc., then you can just click on the template settings page, and you can see the actual videos code. So you can also add in underneath here anything you want. For example, you can add an AdSense ad in this section here. You can even add an AdSense ad right before the video itself, and use this settings page creatively to make sure that all your videos have a standard look, and also the blog can achieve the objectives that you want. For example, if you want to make money from AdSense with it, then you definitely need to add some AdSense code here. And if you want to promote an affiliate product with all the videos, then you can just add anything you want here. And I'm going to click on update postcode. Okay, so now let's take a look at the results. Now you can see here, because I've specified the keywords as music, and I've also added a keyword called funny, etc. So the plugin has gone to YouTube and automatically grabbed all the videos with the related keywords. And this is how the individual video pages will look like. You get the blog page title, which is the exact title of that particular video from youtube.com, and then you also have the date, the video, and all the keywords that are used on youtube.com for this particular video has also now been entered into your blog as keywords. And you can see that this particular video has 25 comments. So let's click on that and have a look at the comments. Okay, so here you can see these are all the comments. These are the exact comments that appear on YouTube actually. So this is one page with one video. Let's go back to the blog and let's scroll down now. Right, so you can see there are other videos as well. A video of Madonna, right? And because I've just installed this plugin, well, at least I've managed to get 2 videos, but you would get more and more videos over time. So using the WP videotube content, you can easily and automatically syndicate content from YouTube onto your blog and make money with that content any way you want.